Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another group of girls into the Maggie Holmes Shaker Embellishment group swap, and I'm going to jump straight into it. This entry is from Tiffany. She is Happy Girl Tiff on Instagram, and look how cute. She's the new KS Craft Nintendo Game Boy die. How cute is this, you guys? So fun. I love it, and I'm going to just open one of them up. Just got cute little like shred and sequins in there that you guys could save and reuse. Ooh, I love those colors. So look how cute. She even has like this super fancy little vellum, like almost like a business card style. Happy Girl Tiff, so cute. And then look at this. Look at her little shaker bits in the like the screen part. She's got the little buttons, and then she decorated the corner with a rosette, some tinsel. She stickled up the little chipboard pieces. So cute, girly. And then your guys's, it has like just different little like clusters in the corner, like a little cloche, flower, cute little butterfly, another little butterfly one. Super cute, girly. Love it. Thank you for making one for me. This entry is from Kaneshia, and I think it's Gator Chick, or it's just Gar Chick on Instagram, but I think it's Gator Chick. And look how cute. She just made this cute little 3D tag. Swap Diva. She's layered it up on this little doily. It's super cute to hold her little, she has her information in the back. And you guys, can we talk about this chunky monkey? Gorgeous dangle. Wow. Oh, look at this one. So fancy, girl. I'm loving the color scheme, so gorgeous. Then we got this gorgeous little bow with the sequin trim on the top. She's got the cute little doily bag topper in gold, and you guys, she made little shaker carts, and they look pretty much, the little dangle is a little bit different, but these are so cute. Let me open it up. Look how cute. She's got her little information on here. I know she has an Etsy, but look at, she's included some little bow die cuts. That's a good idea. See, Gator Chick, I think it's Gator. Her little information, and look at the little shaker. She did the gold banner, the little wheels and jemmies. Look at the little dangle right here. Ooh, itty bitty pieces to be making this a shaker. So cute though. Thank you for making one for me and this cute little packaging that I'm keeping and dangle.